Okay, good evening everybody, and this is going to be a biking bliss video in comparison for the auxiliary lights with respect to Mad Dogs and Gold Runner. This is going to be one of a kind of a video. I'm sorry for the background noise. You'll be hearing a lot of background noise. We need to get a stretch of lightless road. Okay, here we are going to test the Mad Dogs now. So I have my friend Nitin who is going to start the bike and is going to switch on the bike now. This is the stock low beam when the bike is on. This is the stock high beam, and now wham! This is going to be Mad Dog. This is Mad Dog with low beam. This is Mad Dog with high beam. With low beam, with high beam. Not much of a difference. Now Mad Dog is off with stock low beam. This is the Dominar with Gold Runner setup. Now we are going to start the bike. This is the stock low beam, high beam. Now this is Gold Runner with full intensity. One click it goes on to one level, another click goes down to another level. Now again if you press, it comes back to the full intensity. This is without high beam. This is the stock low beam. This is stock high beam, and this is full intensity Gold Runner lights for you. The setup on one of the Dominar here is we have original Gold Runner 40 watts bulb, and another one we have a duplicate one. Forget about the wattage of it. So let's see how this setup behaves. So we have started the vehicle. This is the stock low beam. This is the stock high beam. Sorry, this is the dummy Gold Runner. Now the stock high beam has come up, and now for the original Gold Runner, and this is the setup. Let me go and see in the front how it looks like. Looks awesome. On this we have Mad Dogs, each of 40 watts, and we have got a pair of Chinese yellow fog lamps. So we are going to take a look at it when you switch on all the lights together. So let's start the bike. This is the stock low beam, stock high beam. This is the yellow fog lamp, and here now comes the Mad Dog. Wow. So let me give you a front look perspective. Wow, looks amazing. Okay, here comes the Dominar with Mad Dog. Dominar coming up with Gold Runner light. Let's see how this is.